On March 31st at 9:47 p.m. Eastern Time, Fram took off from Path 39A at Cape Canaveral. This flight of a Falcon 9 carrying a manned Dragon spacecraft into a polar orbit around the Earth for the first time marks a milestone in spaceflight history. It is yet another first achieved by SpaceX with its spacecraft Crew Dragon spacecraft. Here is the video of the launch
of the Falcon 9, but you can see the arms around the second stage, which is just below the Dragon trunk, are opening. And now the strong back itself, the structure alongside the Falcon 9, will move about 2 degrees away from the Falcon 9. And then at liftoff, hydraulic arms will pull it to a position 45 degrees away as the Falcon 9 lifts off from pad 39A. Now, next activity we ought to hear is the strong back retract is complete. We might hear that call out, we might not. And then we're also finishing up liquid oxygen loading on the first and second stages.
Yeah, at this point, fuel is loaded on both the first stage and the second stage. As John mentioned, liquid oxygen loading on stage 1 should complete in about 10 seconds or so. And then second stage liquid oxygen loading should complete at T-minus 2 minutes.
Just waiting to hear the call outs right now for stage 1 LOX load.
Stage 1 LOX load is complete.
All right, we've got a good LOX load on first stage.
Dragon is in terminal count and is on internal power.
And we've got the confirmation Dragon has gone internal power, coming down from the crew back to the Dragon team here in the Mission Control Center. Next major activity, T-minus 2 minutes. Stage 2 LOX load will complete, and that'll finish loading all propellants on the Falcon 9 first and second stages.
We do have a crowd building up here in front of Mission Control.
Stage 2 LOX load is complete.
All right,
Great
right
news.
on time.
Yeah. It's getting pretty exciting here as we get just under a couple minutes away from liftoff. Now that propellant loading is complete, that means that
Dragon is in auto idle.
1 million pounds of kerosene fuel and liquid oxygen are now loaded on the Falcon 9 vehicle. And we will begin some venting. This will be some venting of the...
Ground gas closeouts have started. Expect loud venting.
Perfect timing. That venting is going... You may see some white clouds around the vehicle. We are venting out the liquid oxygen line, and that colder air meeting the warmer ambient air in Florida is creating that condensation. And I like to describe that like the condensation building around a cold glass of water. Now we're coming up on a minute where Falcon will go into startup. This is where the internal flight computers will take over.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
And now the vehicle...
Dragon is in countdown.
Vehicle is in startup. We're now just waiting for the final call from the launch director.
Dragon, SpaceX. Go for launch.
And great news, we are go for launch.
SpaceX Dragon, Fram 2, go for launch.
And heard one call from the crew.
Seconds.
One last call from the Fram 2 crew. Let's watch as the Falcon 9 vehicle takes Dragon and Fram 2 into space.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Copy, 1 Alpha. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
T plus 35 seconds into the Fram 2 mission, the first ever human spaceflight mission to cover the poles.
And we are throttling down the engines on the first
Power
stage.
telemetry nominal.
On the first stage vehicle for.
Stage 1, throttle down.
Oh, it's perfect timing with these callouts. We throttled down the engines
Max Q.
for Max Q, and there's Max Q. It's the maximum dynamic pressure that the vehicle
Falcon
sees
9
on
is
ascent.
supersonic.
Confirmation we're supersonic. We're preparing to throttle back up on first stage Merlin engines.
Stage 1, throttle up.
Confirmation we're back up on power on the 9 Merlin 1D engines.
Stage 1, Bravo.
1 Bravo
Copy,
called out
1
by the
Bravo.
crew. That means if there was a need for an abort with the first stage now emptying itself of propellant, Dragon would fly a different profile than if, say, right off the pad we'd had initiated. Waiting for the MVAC-D chill call.
MVAC chill is underway.
We're beginning to chill the second stage engine in preparation for its ignition, coming up in less than a minute from now.
We also have a few events that are going to happen back to back. We'll have MECO stage separation and second stage engine ignition. MECO is main engine cutoff. That's where we will shut down all of those 9 engines, which you're seeing there on the first stage vehicle to slow
Stage 1, throttle down.
And we've got a live view of the crew on the vehicle at this moment, which is really cool. And we will have MECO stage separation and MVAC ignition in just about 10 seconds from now.
We're beginning to throttle down the Merlin engines in preparation for main engine cutoff. You on the left looking up at the second stage engine nozzle.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2.
Copy, stage 2. MVAC ignition.
And there we just saw MECO stage separation. The MVAC engine has ignited, and we've also started the boost back burn on the first stage, which you can see there on your left-hand screen. Anna and Sarah, those were a lot of dynamic events that just happened right now that the Fram 2 crew is experiencing, but you guys also got to experience that.
Yes, I remember. Now we're in stage 2, and I remember that slow buildup of G-forces during this stage. The first stage, the G-forces come on fast, but the second stage, they're a bit slower. And so right now, you're starting to feel it come on faster and faster, and you feel that pressure into your chest. You feel yourself being pressed into your seat, harder to move your hands up. It's an exciting ride, and you see the minutes counting by until the moment that you know you'll be in space.
Yeah, you're right, because
Dragon SpaceX trajectory nominal.
good call out from Guidance Navigation Control Officer. Trajectory is nominal for the crew.
Dragon, copy.
And Commander copies that call out. But yeah, you had a good point. Well, we talked earlier, the second stage engine's over 200,000 pounds of thrust. There's more than 200,000 pounds of propellant, so when it first lights, it's not accelerating very rapidly. But Sarah, what's it like when you get near the end of the burn? We heard Bob and Doug back on Crew Demo 2 call it like driving down a gravelly, bumpy road at high speed.
It's definitely more, maybe a little more vibration than first stage because the engine is so much closer to the spacecraft. So you absolutely feel a difference in the sensations you experience when you're riding on the second stage.
Cool.
I'm sure the Fram 2 crew is feeling something similar. They're still inside of Dragon, which is still attached to the second stage, and on your left-hand
Dragon
screen,
SpaceX trajectory nominal.
on the left hand of your screen, you can see a view of the MVAC engine ignited.
Nominal.
But coming up in a couple of minutes, we'll have the entry burn on the first stage, which is currently making its way back down to Earth. And we did perform a boost back burn on this one.
Yeah, we did a one-engine boost back burn. We didn't have, normally when you launch to the east or northeast in a crew mission, you take advantage of the Earth's rotational velocity. But in this case, we're pretty much going straight south, and so you don't get that eastward velocity. So the first stage needed to use a little more propellant to get the crew up into the right position for stage separation. So we can't bring the first stage all the way back to land like we might do on an ISS mission. So instead, we're going to land on the drone ship, but not as far south as we would normally do
Dragon
if this
SpaceX,
was
trajectory nominal.
something like a Starlink mission. Another nominal trajectory.
Dragon copy, nominal.
And the crew recites it back. We've got good comms with the crew. But yeah, Jesse, to your point, we are coming up on the second part of the return of the...
If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.